Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I just wanted to show you one of my new favorite things. Now, y'all know I usually don't buy anything unless it's close to $0, but I actually paid full price for this Ozark Trail Wagon, and let me tell you why. Moving into my new place here in Georgia, I needed something heavy duty that could handle the heavy lifting. Now, this bad boy can hold up to 260 pounds, which means that technically I could ride in this big boy and it wouldn't be a problem. This thing is solid. I love it. It glides across the floor. It's going to be my best friend for hauling groceries and my thrift finds. I love it. Now, normally, this is me taking the trash out, by the way. Normally we have trash chutes, but some days they're out of order and we can't use them. So we have to take the trash down the elevator, out the door to the dumpster. I'm telling you, this wagon makes it so easy. It just glides like it's nothing. I absolutely love it. And I got to tell you, one of my favorite things about it is that it's easy to fold up. I'm doing it right here. Now, let me tell you something. I have a bad back, arthritis, and carpal tunnel. And right now, I'm supposed to be wearing that wrist thing that you stick your thumb through it and it stabilizes your hand so you can't use it. I'm hard headed. I don't have it on, but I'm in pain in this video. But this thing was still easy for me to fold up and to unfold. It is fabulous. I just fold it up when I'm done with it. I put this thing around it. And really, I don't think you need the thing because it's not going to come loose, but it just makes it look better, makes it more compact. It's fancy, y'all. So you just put this thing around it and then you put it through the loops and it fastens with Velcro. Really easy, really quick. It's even quicker on the days that I'm not in pain. And that's it. That's it. And then I push it over out of the way. If I'm being really good, I put it in the closet, but not today. I put the link in the description for you.